Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorial how to collaborate on the Google Classroom by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Google Classroom. If you cannot find any Google Classroom on your home screen, you need to slide your screen into the left side until you are in the app library. And after you are in the app library, you just need to type in the search button a Google Class. Okay, and after you find it, just need to click it, and now you are generated into the Google Classroom. And this is the looks when you are in a Google Classroom. And how to do a collaborate, just need to decide which class that you want to invite your friends, your teacher, your co-worker in. So for example, I want to do with the class B, and I want to add my friends to be the teachers too here. So you just need to take a look on this button features and just go into the people. In the teacher section, just need to click this people with the plus button, and now you need to enter the email of your friends or the email of another teachers here. For example, I want to do with this my friends. Okay, and after that you just need to click add recipient, and after that just need to click invite. And now you have to wait until your friends accepting your invitation, and then your friend will be like the member of the teacher on this class. That's all the way how you do collaborate in a Google Classroom. If you find that this video is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.